Happy holidays.
And welcome to
The Age of Beauty. So summer today on The Age of Beauty, we're going to be doing a Laura Geller unboxing. Ooh, there's the box. Let's see what's inside.
Ooh,
Drum roll.
The box is so pretty.
Yeah, Laura Geller rocks. So you be the first to pull out a goodie. Let's see what's in the Laura Geller box.
Gotta fight the packaging as always. Ooh, and it is a gelato swirl illuminator. So fancy. I love the swirl on this.
Yeah, her products are pretty. We also have some cool eyeshadows for us to share.
Ooh, a concealer brush. Gotta love it.
Love concealer. We have a whole episode on just concealer.
Oh yeah. Ooh,
This is Opal Crush. It's an illuminator.
fancy. We have a color luster lip gloss.
Fun.
A jelly balm.
Nice. More and more stuff for our lips. What else can we find? Oh, a modern classic lipstick. Sweet.
Nice. A color luster lip gloss.
Wow, more lips. We'll have to do a whole episode on lips.
I know, right?
And now these are the eyeshadows. They're called Two Luxe Finish Eyeshadow Palette.
Fancy.
There's like a cool and a warm, I believe. And
Yeah.
here's some up-close looks at everything we opened.
Ooh.
So to purchase any of the products, all they have to do, all these fabulous folks who are watching, is just go into the link below, which will be the blog post, and click on the Laura Geller link. And they're an affiliate of ours, so we'll get a little bit of commission, guys. So if you're going to buy Laura Geller, buy through us, right?
Yeah.
That's always helpful. So anyway, these are their beautiful products, and these are our
There's
beautiful
Trixie and
dogs.
Lola.
Lola's our newest member of our family. We've
Love
just
her.
adopted her. So we're sending you holiday sparkle.
Peace and love.
And remember always to subscribe and follow us and like us on social media. So all the best to you and your family.